You hear that? That's the sound of engagement right there. 75 kids hammering at the same time. Love it.
We may be able to maintain a balanced system even when we turn it upside down. Is that a balanced or an unbalanced system? Yeah, it's balanced. The force of gravity is pulling, and the force of the magnets are pulling. Your job during part 2 of our workshop is to build the toy, of course. But then we want you to be scientists and design an experiment, make a prediction, and then test it, right? And do it over and over and over again. And the hope is that you are going to get better and better at observing and predicting. Let's get back to work.